G'day guys, Joel here from Ox Trailers. Just love to run you through this SMIC build here, 4.221 flat top. And I'll run you through all the accessories that this customer has opted for and how this has been tailored to suit his exact requirements. 4.5 tonne trailer, come with the 70mm coupling, and he's opted for the Simplicity 4.5 tonne load sharing spring suspension. If you're chasing versatility and reliability, you can't go wrong there. So let's just jump into the accessories that this customer's optioned up and understand a little bit more about this build and how it's going to work for him. Up the front here, we've got our drawbar cabinet. Great cabinet for storage of tools, compressors and equipment. It comes with an adjustable shelf, doors both sides, lockable and secure, dust and waterproof. It's a massive area there. You can just store all your bigger, bulkier items in there. This customer's opted with the underbody boxes on both sides at the front here. Once again, these are available in different sizes, and we also do a tapered base one as well. These are the square ones, but an optional accessory that just adds to the versatility of the trailer. He's gone with a custom headboard here and spare tyre mount. So they're up there secured, safe, out of the way, and he's got them when he needs them. So, you know, instead of taking up room in his other parts of his trailer, he's got them up there nice and easy where he can get at them. This customer's opted with a water tank, so the filler point's up the front here, and I'll show you a bit later where the outlet is down the back. 16-inch wheels, 12-inch electric brakes, 245/75 tyres. He's opted with a black tray, white sides, just to give that trailer a little bit of that better look, stand out from everyone else. All in all, a very nice SMIC looking trailer. At the back, he's also gone with the recovery points, which you can see just underneath here. Standard LED taillights that we put on every trailer. You can upgrade them, but this customer's got the standard ones. They look really good, integrated into the trailer very nicely. And here's the outlet for his 150 litre water tank, which sits up full length of the tray. So you fill it at the front and you wash your hands at the back. So that's this build. If you're chasing a 4.5 tonne trailer that will handle anything you're gonna throw at it, this is a really good place to start. A lot of our customers go with this sort of a build just to give them the options, increased storage, and at 4.2 long tray, you can fit everything you're ever gonna need to in there. So if you guys are after something today that's gonna stand the test of time and do what you need to do, this trailer is definitely for you. Reach out to the team. We're more than happy to discuss the options and the accessories and help you get your hands on one of these beasts today. Cheers, guys.